Hi, my name is Fadlul Hadi and I'm going to do on procedural. The topic that I want to do is on discovery of oil in Brunei Darussalam. For introduction, the teacher will ask prior knowledge of the students. For prior knowledge, the students will watch a video from YouTube on the use of oil. Then they will write on a piece of paper on what they saw in the video. Let us watch a little bit of the video.
Have you ever stopped to think about the many uses oil has in our day-to-day lives? Oil gives us hot water, heated homes, and electricity.
From here, the teacher can gain knowledge on how far the students can review a video. For the content of the lesson, there are three main pedagogical approaches made by the teacher. The first one will be focused on cooperative learning, secondly, game-based learning, and lastly, explaining on key terms through images. Here, I will only focus on cooperative learning and game-based learning. Using images is important in procedural level. First, we look at cooperative learning. For cooperative learning, the students will learn on the history of oil discovery in Brunei. How is the student going to learn? They are going to learn through Google Earth, which will be presented through a projector. And the screen of the projector is the whiteboard. For example, in this picture, how this teacher did it. But before that, the teacher will first give instructions to the students. Instruction number 1. The students will divide themselves into a group of 4 members. Secondly, the teacher will give small pieces of paper to each group. The small pieces of paper contains the location of oil search in Brunei. And lastly, a representative from each group will come to the front and write on the whiteboard where the location of the places are. Most of the information are in the textbook, and they only need to apply their knowledge in the activity. Applying their knowledge is one of the characteristics of procedural level. Now I will move on to game-based learning. For game-based learning, the students will answer quizzes in a web zondal.com, and at the same time, they can also enjoy playing games. These quizzes are only on procedural level. The types of questions are rearranging facts and pictures, answer open-ended questions, and many more. This is done to assess on what they learned so far. The students will answer these quizzes using the library computers. Similar to cooperative learning, the teacher will give instruction to the students on how to involve in game-based learning activity. The first instruction, the students has to go to www.zondal.com. Then, the teacher will explain on how to log in to the website. The login details will all be prepared by the teacher earlier before the lesson starts. And also, don't forget to ask the students to keep quiet in the library. As a conclusion, the teacher will summarize on the lesson, which is on the discovery of oil in Brunei Darussalam.